Ever get that sinking feeling when you pull into a rest stop, glance down at your dashboard, and see your electric car begging for juice? Yeah, me neither, entirely because I don't own an electric car, yet. But let's face it, electric vehicles are the future, and with that future comes a whole new set of questions. One of the biggest? How long does it actually take to charge a Tesla? Because let's be honest, filling up a gas tank takes 5 minutes, tops. Electric vehicles require a whole different strategy. So, buckle up gearheads, future drivers, and curious minds, we're diving down the rabbit hole of Tesla charging times. First things first, Teslas offer 3 main charging options, and the speed of your charge depends entirely on which one you choose. Think of it like a 3-course meal for your electric car. You've got your light appetizer, your hearty main course, and then there's that super fast dessert option that'll get you back on the road in a flash. Let's start with the appetizer, home charging. This is your everyday plug-in situation, perfect for topping off your battery overnight. We're talking about plugging your Tesla into a standard outlet, just like you would any other appliance. But here's the catch, a standard outlet provides 120 volts, which translates to a long charging time. We're talking upwards of 48 hours for a completely depleted battery. Hold on, don't ditch the electric car dream just yet. There's a much faster home-based option, a Tesla wall connector. This bad boy installs directly onto your garage wall and runs on a 240-volt circuit, similar to your dryer. With a wall connector, you're looking at a much more manageable 6 to 15-hour charge time, depending on the Tesla model you drive. Alright, so home charging is great for overnight refuels, but what if you're on a road trip and need a quick pit stop? Enter the main course, Tesla destination chargers. These are like the friendly neighborhood charging stations you'll find at hotels, restaurants, and shopping centers. They typically offer speeds similar to a home wall connector, giving you that perfect top-up while you grab a bite or catch a movie. Now, for the real showstopper, the electric car equivalent of a chocolate lava cake, Tesla superchargers. These are high-powered charging stations specifically designed for Teslas, scattered strategically along major highways and near urban centers. We're talking serious juice here, folks. Superchargers can add up to 200 miles of range in just 30 minutes. That's enough time to stretch your legs, grab a coffee, and get back on the road feeling refreshed and recharged. Of course, there are some factors that can influence charging times beyond just the charger type. The weather can play a role, with extreme temperatures impacting battery efficiency. The age and health of your battery will also make a difference, as batteries naturally lose some capacity over time. And don't forget, the size of your Tesla's battery pack matters too. Bigger batteries take longer to fill up, just like a larger gas tank takes more time to pump. But here's the good news, Tesla vehicles are smart. They factor in all these variables and can provide you with an estimated charging time right there on your dashboard. So you'll always have a pretty good idea of how long you'll need to spend plugged in. So, there you have it. The answer to the burning question of how long does a Tesla take to charge isn't so simple. It depends on the type of charger you use, the size of your battery, and even the weather. But with a variety of charging options available, Tesla makes it easy to keep your electric car juiced up and ready to roll. Whether you're a seasoned electric car enthusiast or just curious about the future of transportation, hopefully, this video has shed some light on the world of Tesla charging. Now you can hit the road with confidence, knowing exactly how to keep your electric adventure going. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.